Meghalaya Idol 2019 and 20. Swami is controversial. Jagi Thai contestants ki jongi. Kita ngilapoi si contestant number 1. Bang, Swami yang kasih. Dia naik. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Baby, so kumna matasi. Na prepare hai. Contestant number 4. So, cameraman, let's go to the judges now. Special Panis, kayaknya so cute. Boleh buat banyak minggu nak discuss ni. Nak discuss pangkas show sebab ni amdo. Kalian cuti mau wei. Get out. Start. Di minta kita Islam menyo ya kami Meghalaya Idol 2019-20.
Okay, let's go, baby. Come on in. Right here. That's it. Let's go. Boleh tu syang pedang.
Sang tip sang.
Kemudian dalam tu syang pedang, akan thay ke ni ban syang pedang. Kapal thay bala kau kasih khilik pen tu akan thay ke si syang pedang. Balik tu syang pedang. Nak kau angin mina.
Saya mana yang kuat bancang untuk penting nak bancang dengan saya.
Ngalas yang ni zakah.
Saya ida request yang ayam bagi kuat bancang ni.
Ngalas thiệt. Ngalas thiệt cái này. Họ trong hàng ni, bên này hàng ni. Oh shit.
Terus just tenang ya. Kim long professional deh. Kim long dia not professional at all. Huh? What does it mean? Kan what you begini? Boleh tak? Yang dah.
Pila macam teh tambah yang berapa pedang berarti. Yang macam internet.
Jim you apa pedang?
Saya itu yang internet kira untuk nak cakap.
Baby, yang ini nak. Let's go.
Sir, shop sir. Saya akan pen manage. Fikir macam apa pedang? How would you manage? Sir,
fikir pen manage good. You kerja cepat time dulu mana? Go.
Sir, manage.
Useless from this guy. What kind of show is this? I don't like this show also at all.
The people are not understanding.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Sir, lari.
Ready?
Lari sir.
After you, ready?
I don't like the chair.
Okay, sampai tentang pelayan, sampai tentang penyelesaian dan
No, I don't like the chair.
You don't like the chair?
No.
Okay, if you say so, I'll take this plastic one and you take this one. Is it okay now?
Oh my god, so sweet of you.
Yeah, I'm a sweet guy.
Contestants menikah.
Okay, what happened? Siapa contestant? Siapa dan contestant? Jay, what?
pas lihat pelaba mau ceket tutur.
Ketika bahasa state. Ngapa kami telat perform kecekat semalam tu ceket. Lau tu kecekat. Pila Sajian melawan Jaka Meghalaya Island.
Now, kini kami ke DID dari Meghalaya Idol. No. Next, out. Next.
Boleh apa itu nak tu ber?
Ya, ma'am. Meghalaya Idol.
Pasang ni itu nak ber?
Meghalaya Idol, not dancing their dance.
Kaiba joner ko julet ni tu ber.
Yeah, my turn. Skap O means
Please
no.
stop it, you guys.
Oh, yeah, and O. No. Next.
Stop it.
Jing ruai jung pi. Pinang mo ikin tiang lu bantha. Ka jing ruai jung pi lu ka stuna ba. Ikin tiang ki bang ka sur ka tiang ba. Pilong pun tu moina. Tang pada sini si tek ba kalau tak ruai te nak ka men siap.
But it's a yes for me.
It's a yes for me.
It's yes for me.
Yes from you.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Don't stop believing.
Stop. Siap. Ground one. Next round.
I like that guy. He's very cute with the guitar. Yes.
Dr. Peter. Pila Sajian menang White House. Out.
Kung naman dyan ang mga kita?
Kamu jangan harap dia kau judge beliau. It's my wish ngejudge kau, dia kau judge no man.
Oh. Okay,
Next.
Bintang inyo yung special act in way performance lagi.
Magic trick to wow, ini feature.
Queen of Hearts.
Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god! Look at this, everyone! Look at this! Oh god! Oh my god!
Okay. Pila Sajian nomor 9. Pila Sajian nomor 9. Ini 9. Terus mendidik terus no. Mendidik pengembang.
Kilek susu boy. Sawan bersulah.
Kapor Sajian nomor 9.
It's a yes for me too!
Thank you kepada Humon yang ngasih tahu bahu dengan dinasmet ngawan kena kani apa Meghalaya Idol nomor ba aflem aku penwan tani tambah ngami kelar mau nomor ba hiya siam kam David dabiang ra ngawan ayong kalong yang kalong siam ko ba duna ka jeng ikut kalong ba hidup mo
Ha ha ha!